Bring it up. I'm gonna go to the beginning of this sequence, I'm gonna mark an endpoint. Then I'm gonna go all the way to the end of this sequence and mark an out point. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually grab all these video track selectors and turn them all on. I'm gonna go to File, Output, Export to File. We're gonna go here to Options, and in Options is gonna ask us how we wanna export this. We have an export format. So they have AAF, or Advanced Authoring Format. You could export just the audio. You could export just a graphic, a single picture, or something simple like QuickTime MOV. You'll choose MOV and we'll ask you the question about exporting a QuickTime MOV. It asks us how we want to export the video. We're going to use the project video raster where you're going to export the project. It's going to say it's going to use the 1920 by 1080. The dimensions are going to be 1920 by 1080. The aspect ratio is going to be 16 by 9. That's fine. The pixel aspect, 1:1, that means square pixels. The frame rate, color space is Rec 7:9. The compression family, you can experiment with these qualities. Remember, as you increase quality, you're going to increase file size. It asks us about our audio settings. If we wanted to save this, we could save this as ProRes 422. And now it saves it as ProRes 422, and now I have a new export setting, so I don't have to ever do that ever again. It's just automatically set that way. We're going to call this main sequence 422. We're gonna hit save, and now it's gonna go through the slow process of exporting this there. So we're gonna do this export again, but we're gonna do it in a different format, just to experiment with some different ideas. We're gonna go here again to File, Output, Export to File. We're gonna choose Options, and now we'll go with a different format. We wanna put this on the internet, and so we wanna put this as an MP4, which will load up onto YouTube or to Vimeo really easily. I know that for an MP4, the family that I wanna use is not the DNX HR family. I want to use something like the H.264 family. The compression here could be H.264, the color depth is 8-bit, which is fine, and this can say a constant bit rate. The audio format, instead of doing PCM, I might do AAC, because AAC is what YouTube uses. We're going to say save this as, we'll call this for YouTube. And again, we'll save that as a setting here. And so main sequence 01 now will be here, main sequence _ YouTube. And we'll export that out of here.